people feel that AI is here to replace boring tasks they can do, can help them to go faster, or can help them to do their job, I would say, better, but they don't feel that replace them today. So what we did to make people comfortable with this is like, we have what we call in the company a demo Monday. So every week, there is like someone in the team that do a demonstration or an explanation of his job and everything. And there is sometimes topic around AI, how they use AI into their team, how they manage to increase their performance. So it's also part of the training to other team to understand that AI isn't here to replace them, but to help them do in their daily tasks. So it's very useful. We also offer training, we offer widgets to team to test tools, to of course use the license they need. We do also hackathons around AI. So it's basically external experts that come and help them to understand where AI can help them and understand new tools, new technology that can be used. And my job as a CEO of the company is, of course, to make them feel and to give them the time they need to understand this tool and to use it and to understand how it can help, instead of having these worry articles where I say that your job will be replaced by AI. Maybe in a few years, your job will be replaced by AI, but today, for the next few years, I believe that if you're not using AI, you will just lose to the competition. So the goal is like to be early on these topics and be able like to be one of the best in the job with the help of AI.